Thinking about using Tomo mortgage app in 2025? Here's a quick review. Tomo stands out by offering mortgage options tailored for modern home buyers, especially those with non-traditional income sources like freelancers or self-employed individuals. The app lets you apply, track your loan status, and manage payments all from your phone with a clean and easy-to-use interface. In 2025, the app includes quick pre-approval features, personalized loan recommendations to speed up your home buying process. Uh, Tomo also offers transparent pricing with no hidden fees, which many users appreciate. Customer support is responsive and available through an app chat and a phone. The only downside is Tomo is currently available in select states only, so check availability before you get started. Overall, if you are a freelancer or a self-employed and looking for a straightforward mortgage app, Tomo is solid choice. If this helped, well, please like, subscribe, and tell me which app review you want next. Until then, I'll catch you up in the next video.